Hi viewers, Amarnath Capital Mart Academy. So today the Nifty 18 point minus Bank Nifty minus 400 point, Nifty 80 plus 429 points. So actually according to the Bank Nifty, the Nifty is supposed to be nearly minus 100. So all because of Nifty IT support, it decently closed just 18 point. So a flat closure we can say that. So day by day Bank Nifty doesn't giving the hope that it won't progress further. So today HDFC Bank performed well, but ICICI Bank was a bit down today. So that caused Bank Nifty dragged 400 point downside. So anyway, the Nifty IT offsetted this downfall of Nifty. So marginally it has closed negatively. So if you see the broad market indices, mid cap is minus and small cap marginally minus, and just micro cap it's positive. So there is no significant plus or minus in here. At the same time, if you the sectoral indices, so that also has a mixed result, we can say that. So with this, if you see the target of 24,500, it's becoming becoming hopeless. That's what it seems. That and all we will see further detail in the chart. So today if you see 2794 stock traded, in which 1402 stock ended positively, 1303 stock ended negatively, and 89 stocks prices unchanged. So it is somehow it's balanced, it is closed. Okay, now we will see some more detail in the chart. If you see the first Bank Nifty 50, so at the opening it nearly 90 point, it has gave a positively open and made a all-time high, but it couldn't able to sustain there. Very quickly it has come down from the all-time high or day high 163 point, it has come down. But again it tried very well one from the down. If you see 116 point, 116 point, it has recovered, but couldn't able to sustain. Again 113 point, it has come down. Again it tried 90 point positive. So at the end of the day, if you see just 18 point negatively, it is closed. So if you see the overall trend, yesterday I said it's quite a good green candle. It looks positive. But today's its negativity is because of Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty it's finding hard to break the all-time high. Similarly, if you see the Nifty IT, it is just 1200 or 1300 point away from the all-time high. So if we hit that all-time high, it is the third time all-time high, and it is tough to break that, because there would be a lot of profit booking happens. So if all together, if you see that the 24,500 becoming a dissolving dream, we can say that. So that's how it looks. Let me see subsequently how it performs. So if you see the max pain based on this weekly contract, it is 2400, and PCR is 0.99. The India VIX, the fear index is 13.6. So if you see the monthly contract, the PCR is 1.44 and the max pain is 23,900. Bank Nifty. Similarly, like bank, it gave a more than 200 point gap up, and it couldn't able to sustain there from the day high. See 700 point, it has come down very drastically, very quickly. But from there again it traded some 300 point gradual recovery, but unable to sustain there. Again 432 point, it has come down. So almost similar like Nifty pattern, we can see there. And if you see the end of the day, it is 406 point negative. So if you see the overall trend of this, see the candle, it's quite decisive red candle. It unable to progress, and this all-time high has to break. But now it feel very tough to break. So unless Bank Nifty break the all-time high, it's very tough for Nifty to go 24,500 only because of Nifty IT. It's not at all possible. So Nifty IT and the importantly Bank Nifty support the Nifty to touch the 24,500. So as I already said, the Nifty IT, it's very much close to the all-time high. So therefore profit booking happen, and again it will come down. So that's the reason I am saying it's a dissolving dream. Okay, now you see the max span of this Bank Nifty based on the monthly conduct, it is 52,000, PCR is 1.23. The weekly contact max span is 52,300 and PCR is 0.71. Mid and small 400, this is the collective index of mid cap 150 and small cap 250, one of the important index I feel. So this also had a good gap up, but couldn't able to sustain that, but it tried to sustain from the sustain at the level of yesterday's close, we can say that. See, it very much straight, unlike Bank Nifty and Nifty that immediately it has hugely came down, but it tried to sustain that some level. Some after that it couldn't able to sustain there. After 11:30 it drastically has come down. If you see the from the day high 275 point, it has come down, but anyway it has stayed very well. The recovery around nearly 144 point it has recovered, and marginally at 84 point it has closed negatively. And if you see the overall trend of this, yesterday I said again it looks gaining the momentum, but this candle again the hope becoming hopeless, the dissolving the dream. So altogether, if you see, it is tough for Nifty to test the 24,500 in the near term. I think it required a decent pullback. That pullback will give the energy to go all-time high 24,500 and beyond. Okay, this is about our market. Now we will see our big brother US market. So today the video was recording quite lately. So by the time of recording, the US market is on live. So it is 67 point DJ is negative, and broad market S&P 500 3 point marginally it is positive. And UK market it is quite significantly the 0.5% it negative, and Euro market also something like the same. So if ends this is negative, and by end of the day if US market also negative, tomorrow we can expect Nifty 100 point at least minus on the closure. That's how it looks. Now if you see the chart, the hope it's becoming less. If you see it forming like a triangle here, from this it forming like a triangle. So if this break here, then it will be quickly come down here, and this is unable to progress. This is in the sideways, so it's very close to the bottom side of the channel. If this breaks, then it will come very quickly come, and 5,300 would be the target, the downside target. So end of the day, if this happens in the US market, end of the day our market correlate with the US market. So with that perspective, definitely the pullback is obvious for our market also. Okay, I hope this video would be quite informative to you. If any comment, make in the comment box, I will respond to you. So with this we end up this video. See you next video, and then bye bye. Thank you.